So she wants a grand back, so she had a free holiday herself. I said, no, I swear down, I said to her, she said she wants 350, I said, you can get a holiday for that. I said, you can get a holiday for 350 quid. I said, I don't think they're going to do that, to be fair. So you can literally get a holiday for that. Why should put that as the background for you to do like I love it? It's when you used to sleep in your room on TV or whatever it's called. Oh, when it's on the beach, get Infront, then down the West Hill.
Oh, that was
Isn't it well nice? I was like Tyler with Stephen with the left. No, there was like there was like 10 rooms left. There was loads of pizza and clothes up and I was like, they could have done that. No, there wasn't enough for another person like a
where can I go up?
bag of cheese.
Let's go do
Full of flavours. What do you mean? Hey, I had that 2 days ago. What, can you do better? Well, why don't you open a restaurant now? No, I'm being actually serious. Shall we try and rent somewhere so that you can cook? I'm actually being serious. No, he's a surveyor. He's got land. He's got properties. No, he actually has got land. No, you could just rent somewhere and do the food. Yeah, I think about it all the time. I'm just stubborn. I think about it all the time. Well, I had 3 viewings when I was still in my room and getting on it with you American and I missed the viewing. You know when you were in that dressing and drinking that straight bottle? That's when my viewing was.
Oh, was that yours? Oh, really?
Really? Oh, really? Yes, really. And I was like fuming because I was meant to go view your house in Salt City. You see you in that dressing and you were like that with the bottle. Straight. I can't drink it like that. That's alcohol. I just all you know that.
This morning when I'm on call, I was sick.
You can't handle it anymore.
No, I'm getting on.
You are getting it back.
23.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. So only 4 years old now. And I thought I was like 17 years old. Because everyone was like, you're a weirdo. I was like, wow. No, I was just I was just like, everyone's thinking I was yeah, because Danny Williams was like, why are you going with kids? And I went, what do you mean? I was like, they're like 22, but I thought I was lying. I went, they're like 22, so I'm like 22, 25 years older. But apparently, no, you're not. Really? What, how old are you? So I'm already 4 years old, flashback. When am I getting cheese? That sounds like good. I need to go to the makeup call that day. She's going to take me. No, she can go. Still not taking on. Oh no. Get there at 11. So 12. We get there at 12 Ibiza time. What's the point in going? Let's go. I want to go with Schweiz tomorrow, really.
Yeah.
We should. So Schweiz is like what we went to that festival goes for now. But it's like, it's not, but it is.
See, we'll fly over.
I hope someone takes a picture.
I'm like,
No, have you seen the videos of the lake? That's why I want to go, really. Yeah, why? You're so cute. It's only 4 times. It's only on 30. Let me change the screen so in case I put it in set and they think I've got a newborn baby. Because he's actually only 3. So they look at that and think she's out after she just had popped the kid out. What should I change it to? I told you. Oh, see, that's that house. I've got it. Show me out. Oh no. Take me out when you look down when you
my white tree.
Cheetah wanker. That's what they used to say years ago. They'd be like, Cheetah wanker. I've got Toy Story tickets. Right, what should I change the Cheetah to?
Let's do it to a blood. Oh no, I hate that one.
You both look like you got furry afros, to be honest. Was it? Was it?
Yeah.
I love that.
If you know what, if we go to the rave and be on it for 3 days, you can do that.
And it's easy, it's just a club. It's basically like going to the dog. River DJ.
Yeah, amazing.
No? Why are we still not taking up? That was a picture I sent to Moss today. Say that I've got a hole. They're going to open it like no, I've actually sent it though. I said, as an excuse me, I ordered this and it's got a little hole in it. I was like, it's meant to be my airport outfit. They better transfer me that phone. Look at my bed in the background with no sheet on it. And it's up in the air like the ultimate. Stop chasing my snake.
Oh, here we go.
No, it's got a fucking snake. I'm not just I'm not a drunk person. I was like, no, it's got a blood stain on the top of the line. I'm crying because imagine imagine that went on my story or something. And everyone will be sending it like, where are? I hate it when people post like really messy. So if I'm oh look, I might have 50 with them. Just watch me there. No, look, because I've sold some stuff and then the money goes, oh, balance 30. Did I take that off? 30. Yeah, that's what it's 20 minutes my account. And then 25 will come, that's 50 back.
Go straight in.
Yeah, when it's in your balance, it'll go straight in. I'll get a notification in a minute. I've just done it, so that's 30. And then I've sent that as well. 20 will go into probably when I'm no, like you receive 20 quid in your balance, so that's it. I always put stuff on there that I don't buy, and I recommend it. I've made like 500 quid in there last year. So no, you should do it till you got the shoes. Just put them all on for like 20, 30 quid each, and it all adds up obviously. That's what I do. I put all the kids' all trainers that are too small and that, and like everything. I've got a Montclair top for Riley, like that's too small. What? I've not put that on yet. But that was 107 quid just for a baby's fucking shirt. I know. And it looks new as well. It's nice, light blue. But yeah, I'm just gonna get changed soon to last time and like sort of things. I need a base. In my face. I was gonna put my speaking on things that people do, you know. But not on this.
Not the vibe.
But it's not the vibe, what's that?
No.
Stop it.
Why are you doing this?
Last time I went on the plane, it wasn't the vibe. What'd you call me?
Why are you doing this?
Oh my God, this is funny. What a stretch once ever. I hate being a... No, I don't. Don't even ask. So I first got it done when I was 13. I was drinking a second wine. You never come to my old flat. You would have
Oh,
loved
look,
it.
they're waving to us.
You would have loved my old flat in Kimmel Street right by the door, the Tinkers. Yeah, it has stairs going up, so when you get you were like no, in the flat, but it was like no, it was like a living room with 3 stairs going to one room and then, yeah, like what's it called?
3-story.
No, it's a name for it. No. You know what I mean anyway.
Yeah.
It'll come to me. Don't worry. It'll come to me. You're just like,
Oh yeah. Light bulb.
Mason there.
Yeah.
Mason there. So yeah, and it was just like it was the place to be. Like it was before it was before it.
Like Mary True.
Yeah. No, that's literally I got kicked out from Louis Place. Oh my God, it's I wouldn't believe it. I got kicked out from Louis Place and I didn't pay for rent or anything like that. get my rent like off the council